In this video, I'm going to show you how can you upload your YouTube video using your mobile phone. Basically, it's pretty easy and the process is quite simple. Just follow the steps I show in this video to not make any mistakes. We'll show you step by step how to upload your own videos. So let's jump straight into this guide. So here we are on our iPhone, and all we need now is just to open our YouTube app, not YouTube Studio, just simple YouTube app, which is like I think everyone has on their device. Basically, even if you have an Android, its navigation is quite the same. So all we need now is just to open our app here and then just click on plus in the bottom of the screen. As you can see, I've already in my account, so if you are not logged into the necessary account you want to upload video for, so just click on plus, and as you can see we have some options: create a short, upload a video, go live together, or create a post. We need to choose upload a video right up here. So after that, in our gallery here, we need to choose the video we want to upload. I would like to upload this one. Basically, we can just make it like as a short, but I won't do this, just like a simple video. I want to upload it to my channel. So after that, everything is done. Basically, now we need to optimize our video. So we need to upload the thumbnail. In the top of the screen in the left corner, as you can see, we have plus icon. If you'll click on it, here we can choose the necessary icon we want to set as a thumbnail from our gallery, of course. So I will also choose this one and just click on select. So everything is quite simple. After that, a little bit in the center here, we need to add the title. So I would like to add how to upload a YouTube video. So make sure that this name is related to your video theme, so it will be easier to promote your video for YouTube. So after that, we need to click on add description. I also suggest you to add the full description you have. So all we need is to write something like, hello, I want to show you how to upload video on YouTube, and some other stuff. Basically, you can add some links to your social media, to other platform you want to share your audience with. So it has 5,000 characters here inside you can add to your description. I think it will be easier for the YouTube to promote your video after that. So when everything is ready, we can just click on arrow in the left top corner here to go to the full page, and then we can change the visibility here. We can just go to private, public, or unlisted, or just schedule our video. So I will just set it to private. Let it be private. So after that, we can add the location. As you can see, we can add some locations, or just add to playlist. If you don't have it, you can create or just add to the playlist we already have. So when everything is done, we can just click on next right up here. Is it made for kids? We need to choose. I would like to choose no, it's not made for kids, and then just click on upload video. If you have the monetization option on your channel, there also be monetization suitability page. You need to choose, is it suitable for monetization? So after that, we can just click on our right top corner to open our page here. And as you can see, now we have some settings here. If we'll open your channel, we will be able to see is there already posted, or do some other stuff. But also we have the channel page here. We can click on manage videos to see our analytics, or just edit something. I would like to click on manage videos, and as you can see, I have a lot of different them here, but this one is more interesting, so I will click on it. And as you can see, we have our video in a closed format. If you'll go to this page and click on more in the right top corner near the video, we'll be able to save it to playlist, share our video, edit it, or edit advanced settings in Studio. So if you click on edit advanced settings in Studio, it will be necessary for you to have the YouTube Studio application like this. So I will upload it. Upgrade. So while it is here, we can just click on more, and if we'll click on edit, we'll be able to change settings we already set. So basically it looks like this. So if you click on edit in a YouTube Studio, we need to wait for a little. Basically, there are also some options we can change, but I think that's all the settings here. It's enough for our channel. So basically, yeah, it looks like this. So guys, I hope this video was useful for you. If it is, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and watch my tutorials. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye. Okay, one more important thing, if you have the YouTube Studio on your iPhone, you can use some more features of like editing video while uploading. If you'll go to content right up now on our studio, in the bottom of the screen, if you click on content, we can see our videos. And if you'll try to click on more near the video we want to edit, and we'll click on like edit video right up here, we can see that there is one more options like text, category, comments, and more. So I suggest you to also manage these options. So click on it, and here we can add some text. Texts are very important thing to like make our video more good for search, more good for browsing. So I suggest you to add the words which are related to the theme of the video, like to the topic of the video, like of course we can add some YouTube video upload. If we are like creating a video about how to upload video on YouTube, how to upload a video on YouTube. So as more as you can write, it will be, I think, even the best variant for you to promote a video at the beginning if you are just starting your own channel. So for search, it's just the, I think, 100% necessary thing you want to add as more tags as you can. I also suggest you to use a vidIQ from your PC. I will leave link in the description. If you're interested, you can visit this website. It's very good application to make the optimization of videos easier. So after that, we can add the category here. If we are like creating video about how to upload, I think it's like the education. So we can click on education. Also, we have some comment settings here. If we'll click on comments, we can disable or allow all comments. I will just allow all comments. I think it's pretty good. And then just a license and distribution, standard YouTube license. Basically, I don't change anything here because I think it's not necessary. Let everyone like keep it and they can use. So now we can just click on save, and in a few seconds everything will be like saved here. So after that, if we'll click on play video, delete, share video, all the features are the same. So basically, yeah, I think now all features are shown. As you know, if you didn't use like YouTube Studio, we have a lot of different features here. We can see the channel analytics, like content, do some other stuff. It's also really helpful for you if you're starting your own channel. And if you'll go to earn, we can see like what do we need to become a partner of YouTube. So yeah, basically that's all. I hope now this video is full for you and it will like close your question how to upload video from mobile. So peace, goodbye.